Okay, I hope you all made your predictions. Now we're going to set a purpose. We're going to read to solve the case before Brandon and Taylor do. As you read, ask yourself, is this an important clue? So let's look at this drama. It's called Disappearing Daisies. Cast of characters. Remember we talked about all dramas have a cast of characters? Brandon, Mom, narrator, and Taylor. So the narrator is the person that's going to kind of tell the story. Brandon, Mom, and Taylor are the other cast of characters. The setting is the Miller home. And here we're going to start reading, and you'll notice it'll say Mom. That means these are the words that the mom is saying. So it says, Mom, I have a mystery to solve. Kids, I need your help. Taylor. That means these are the words Taylor is saying. Taylor. Tell us the facts and don't leave anything out. Mom. Some daisies are missing from my flower garden. There are footprints all around the garden that are not mine. Narrator. So the narrator is going to kind of fill you in on what's going on. Brandon and Taylor look at each other. Brandon. When the words are right here in parentheses, it's kind of telling you what Brandon is thinking. See, thoughtfully. This is an interesting case. I think we can help. Taylor. Yes, let's go dig up some clues in the flower garden. So, this says, look for a clue to help solve the mystery. And this is what the daisies look like right here. Narrator. They went to the backyard to investigate. Brandon. When did you notice the flowers were missing? Mom. Just a few minutes ago. They were here yesterday. Brandon. And is there anything special about this date? Taylor. Yes, it's June 25th. Does that date mean anything to you? Mom. It says she's looking surprised. So the mom is like, shocked. It's my birthday. I forgot all about it. She forgot it was her birthday. Narrator. Brandon and Taylor grinned. Brandon held out a big bouquet of daisies. Brandon and Taylor. Happy birthday, Mom. We picked these flowers for you. Mom. You kids are the best detectives ever. Taylor. Another case closed. Now let's celebrate. So, was your prediction correct? Did you predict that they might have picked the daisies themselves, or that they were going to be hunting for daisies? Let's see right here what this says. Write about it. You used what you know about the characters, dialogue, and setting to help you make a prediction. So we made a prediction at the beginning, remember? Did your prediction match what happened in the drama? Write to tell what you... I can't read today, sorry. Write to tell what you were right about. Tell what happened differently. So on the next slide, you're going to click to the next slide, and you're going to see this same screen right here. And you're going to write if it was different than the prediction that you made, or if you got it right, you predicted correctly. So click and do that, and then click to the next slide.